Fox and the Grapes. A short moral story. On a hot summer day, a hungry fox wandered through a vineyard. As he searched for food, his eyes landed on a bunch of juicy, ripe grapes hanging high on a vine. Just what I need," he said, licking his lips. He jumped to reach them, but missed. He backed up, ran, and leapt again. Still no luck. He tried again and again, each time falling short. The grapes dangled just out of reach, swaying gently in the breeze as if mocking him. Tired, panting, and frustrated, the fox finally gave up. He turned away with a scowl and muttered, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway." With that, he walked off into the trees, head held high but pride wounded. The grapes remained untouched, glistening in the sun. Moral: it's easy to despise what you cannot have. Thank you for watching.